How to turn on read receipts on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Privacy. Now scroll down to the Interaction section and tap on Direct Messages. Here, enable Read Status. From now on, people can see when you have read their messages on TikTok. Following these steps, you can easily turn on read receipts on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.